welcome back to the channel. Today we have a product review. I ordered this helmet online and we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show you how much I paid for it, why I ordered it to begin with, and just my overall thoughts about it. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Obviously I have to do an unboxing and let's get this ready. And voila. So this helmet, I ordered it online from Fortnine.ca. It's a Canadian company because I'm in Canada. It's actually on sale at GPBikes.com. I've never ordered from them before, so I didn't feel like really getting into bed with them. So I just contacted Fortnine via email. A couple days later, they agreed to do a price match, and I got it from Fortnine because I do have history with Fortnine. So it is from Fortnine, and they did price match. So if you're ever looking to price match an item that you've seen somewhere else and maybe out of stock or whatever, you can do that. But let's see. Whoa. So LS2 helmets, it comes pretty well packaged, as you can see. And let's see. I really like the packaging. So it has a front spoiler, whatever you call it. I'm probably never going to use that. It is a Streetfighter helmet. It's the LS2 Streetfighter helmet, if I did not mention that before. That's what this is. And I got it in gloss metallic white. So put this to the side. And this is what you're going to see. Nice packaging overall. No complaints. Yeah, so let's see it. And that's what she looks like. That's a beautiful helmet right there. This is a size large, and I just love it. It seems so solid. This is good. This is very good. So, yeah, huge vent up front over here. Two more on top. This seems to click in pretty good. An exhaust in the back, 3 exhausts in the back. This is DOT and SNELL 2020 approved. That was the major reason why I got this. It is SNELL approved for 2020. It is one of the only helmets that I have personally seen that's SNELL approved for 2020, and for the price, it was a no-brainer. This was on sale for $139.99, so $140 Canadian, and that's why I picked it up. It's a no-brainer for a SNELL approved helmet. That was a very good deal. So it's in metallic white, so I don't know if you can see the metallics in there, but it looks really, really good. Overall quality is really up there. Yeah, that's a beautiful helmet, I can tell you for a fact. Overall thoughts with this helmet, I love it. It's a well-built helmet. It's solid compared to the cheap Amazon one I was using before. For the price, $140 to get a DOT and SNELL approved helmet is insane, if you ask me. I think it's a buy. It's a definitely buy. It's a definite buy. 10 out of 10. Only thing I could complain about is I would like for them to include a tinted one, but at $140, you can't really, blame them for not including it, because it is pretty cheap for what it is, So definitely buy for me, 10 over 10. If you're looking into getting a SNELL approved helmet or a helmet in general, I would suggest you look at this, because for the price, you cannot go wrong with it. You can get cheaper, way bad quality helmets from Amazon for the same price. That is definitely not going to be SNELL approved. So safety always, guys, think about safety and get this. A SNELL approved helmet is always the way to go. ECE, FIM, those are pretty much good too. I think I fancy SNELL. I don't know why, but all my research shows that SNELL is really up there, and that's why I got this lid. So we're gonna put it on and see how it fits. Alright, so let's put this helmet on and see. That's a good fit. Yeah, so that's a definite good fit. This is a large. I've been wearing an extra large for some reason. That was not the right fit. I think I'm 100% a large, and this fits perfectly. So I cannot emphasize on making sure you're ordering the right size helmet, because it's shitty driving down the highway and your helmet is trying to lift up your head and all that. You don't want that. So get a good helmet. It doesn't have to be this. I'm not sponsored by these guys. It's just one that I found out was on sale and within my price range at the time. That's why I picked it up. So that concludes the review and unboxing for this. I think it's a definite buy if you ask me. Like I said before, multiple times already. So $140 for a SNELL approved helmet, shipped to your door, is a deal. Definite deal. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and throw a comment. I have more videos like this coming your way, so stay tuned. Thank you.